Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar T. Vadivel. I am a board-certified periodontist, and I want to talk to you about 3 reasons why implants are becoming mainstream. Dental implants are quickly becoming a more ideal option compared to dentures, and a wide range of age groups are seeking implants for their needs. Implants are replacing the long-standing denture approach and may soon make dentures obsolete. Dentures can be costly over time, and there is a possibility of slide during speaking and eating. Implants look and behave like real teeth and don't require special adhesives or additional cleaning tools. Implants don't require extra thinking. Dentures can become lost as they are taken out regularly for cleaning or replacing. Implants are fastened into the jaw similarly to real teeth and stay there forever. This requires less hassle and an improved state of well-being. No embarrassment. Many people who seek false teeth worry that they will be embarrassed if their teeth fall out in public. This fear dissolves with implants as they look and behave like real teeth. Implants feel better. Dentures can often be uncomfortable or have an alien-type feel for some people. Fortunately for implants, these tools are designed to feel like real teeth, resolving the issue altogether.